Hey guys, today I'm gonna be pretending I'm a noob. So maybe I can fool someone, or I don't I don't know if anyone is actually gonna fall for it, but maybe someone will. I'm just gonna do whatever this dude does. Okay, I just arrested that guy. Okay, so I need to get a helicopter maybe? What the heck? No! Okay, there's not even a helicopter, so it doesn't even matter. I'm gonna pretend to try to arrest this dude. Okay, lock car. There we go. Locked. Okay. See, a lot of people are robbing stuff. All the police are pretty bad. So I need to try to find someone. I'm gonna try to arrest Pug Party. Party Pug 4. He probably, he, well, he might, never mind. I wanna arrest this dude right here. Hey, don't do that to me. Oh no, I need to regenerate health. No! Oh. Okay, kill me, kill me, kill me. Yes, thank you. Okay, come on, I wanted to spawn at the city base. Maybe there's a helicopter. Nope, no helicopter. Wow, that was an epic fail. Let's get out of here. Go, go, go. Whee! Bacon noob. Hey, I'm the bacon noob. Maybe these guys are still around here somewhere. Maybe. Yes. Got him. Haha. Shoot him. Oh, dang it. I wanted to kill him. But it's fine. He was just he was just waiting for the jewelry store to open. That's weird. Wonder if I can find people at the bank. I hope they're at the bank so I can just um nope, the bank is closed. Uh hmm. Okay, so this the bacon noob, which is supposed to be me, even though I'm not a bacon, I have the Oliver hair on, but who cares? Um, he's at the jewelry store, and I know how to glitch into the jewelry store, so we might be able to get him. And if you don't know how to rob the jewelry store, I mean, like glitching. Oh, it's this dude, and I'm gonna get him. So basically, all you need to do is put the rope down, and then you crawl, and then you're basically in. Okay, I'm just gonna wait here for him. Dang it, he got out. No! I wish he didn't do that. Dang it. Oh no. Come on. We were way too late. That would have been cool if we got him though. I'm pretty sure he has like a super high bounty or something. He's back for more. Oh, I shot his helicopter down, I think. Ah! Oh, I'm dead. Whoa. No, don't shoot me. No! Ooh. Dang it, that guy's good. Come on, he's spamming L. Now I'm definitely gonna get him. I'm mad at him now. He's a bully. Let's go get him. I wish I had my account. Oh yes, bank. Bank. Let's go get a bank. Let's get this bank. I hope it's like one of the easy ones, like the remastered, so we can just whip through there and then. Oh look, I'm the top even though I'm supposed to be the noob. Technically, oh yes, this bacon dude is still here. I'm gonna wait till I hear the explosion. So I can like just, oh the train's over there, but okay, this seems good enough. In case, oh this one, oh no. Oh wait, this one's easy to walk just into the vault. Yes, I got him! Let's go! Now I'm a spam out. Wait, I'm just gonna like guard him. Hold on, I'm just gonna try to make him rage. I'm just gonna pretend like I don't know what anything means. Hi. What does camper mean? That the heck? What is that? Ooh, he be mean. Get away. Oh, they're at the museum. I'm pretty sure because he said, "Are you ready?" Which usually means, "Are you ready to pull the lever?" Hey, hello. What's up, bro? If you're a noob or pro or okay, subscribe and you'll automatically become a god. Okay? You'll get like super god skills like my username is this. You know, he's like so good. Make sure to subscribe to him too. Once I got 10,000 bounty, okay, they're at the. That guy's just raging. He's still a prisoner. Oh, and he didn't have any bounty. Oh, I just drove over him. Whoa, 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 man. That's not what we do here. How am I a hacker? I tased you. That's all I did. Oh my god, I keep forgetting. What the heck? Oh, they're at the museum. No, never mind. They're not at the museum. I forgot they just got. There's some dude right here. Okay, thanks for the Jeep. It's a little faster than the Camaro. Hold on. There's some dude, like right here, behind me. No! No, dude. No. Oh ho! Ho, ho, ho. There's like. Okay, he's actually still gonna go to jail. Wait, how did that miss? I'm gonna. Hey! Thanks for the. I'm just destroying every. Whoa, not every. There's still a lot more that has to go. The thing the thing about the bad thing about pretending to be a noob is you don't have like any game passes. So like it's harder than on your actual account. Okay, gotta go to the top. Should I camp? Okay, I gotta pick up my key so no one steals it. And this dude shouldn't be in here. Wait. Oh no, she's one of those fake police. You know how to glitch to be a police? Basically, if you're a prisoner, when you get arrested, you switch to police, but then it still thinks you're a prisoner, so you get handcuffs and a taser as a police. Oh yeah, and you'll get this badge, the police badge right here, this one. Okay, he's at the gas station. My gosh, I keep forgetting. Okay, I'm pretty sure that y'all play Fortnite. Y'all play Fortnite. Y'all play Fortnite. Man. What the man? What the man? What the heck? Okay, maybe he's over here. Yeah, he is. Respect. Oh my gosh. Why am I still crawling? Oh, he's not over here. Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later.